I learned a lot from the professors here. They make coming back to school so much easier.
They're amazing, the faculty here. Like, they go above and beyond all the time. And they want to give you the information because they want you to succeed and they want you to be good at your job.
They all have industry experience, so they've been working in the industry for years, so they have a lot of knowledge. They go out of their way to make sure that you understand everything.
One of the key things you should learn from this is teamwork, because you're never going to be working by yourself. You're always going to be working with a group of people on a project.
As a semester 4 student graduating, I know if I step in a field, I'm not going to be completely blind. I know what I'm doing. You know, like, okay, I worked on an airplane. I know what to do now. I know where to go. I know what tools to use. It's very preparing.
They've done a really great job at making sure everything gets broken down nicely, and so it's not overly intimidating. They've just basically taught us the foundation and everything that you need to know before you can go out and start your apprenticeship and get your license after that.
Don't be afraid to ask questions and don't be afraid to, figure it out. But you have to have enough personal initiative to also look for the answers.
Everyone here is willing to help and they want to help. So use your resources, use your teachers. We have lots of different airplanes to work on and a lot of different lab spaces.
Being able to physically work on a plane and seeing your repair there is just amazing.
If you have a mechanical mindset, if you want to work on things, planes are clean, you get to do very good work on things. If you're even considering it at all and you have a mechanical mindset, do it. It's amazing.
The skills that you will be learning here, just copy and paste out in the field. Like, you're going to be using these 100% out in the field. So if you want any sort of advantage, then this is definitely the place to be.